Thanks again, guys. Awesome picnic. Oh, boy. Look at all this crap everywhere. It's gonna take like 2 hours to sweep this shit. Unless you know how to sweep like the pros, and that's what I'm gonna show you today on Do It Myself.
I'm gonna do it myself, and I don't need nobody else. I'm gonna do it myself, and I don't want no fucking help. And if it gets too hard, I'll go to YouTube. And if that don't work, I guess I'll hire a dude.
When it's time to sweep, one of the most important decisions you can make is the equipment you use. Are you gonna use a broom? I hope so. But what I mean is, what type of broom? Well, in this case, I've got a standard, what's called a push broom, and we're gonna find out that that's a misnomer, and this is the broom I'm using. It's nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. It's got a plastic head, it's got the VibraGrip thistles. You're gonna need a good thistle count if you wanna sweep correctly. It's not a fancy broom. You know, a lot of people, they talk about, I got a custom broom, they're spending $400 or $500 on a broom. It's not necessary. The real secret of sweeping comes from in here, and that's why we're gonna learn to take our sweeping to the next level in 4K. Remember to look after your men. What's men? M-E-N. Mouth, nose, ears. What parts are they? Nose, eyes, mouth, eyes, ears, nose. Look after your men. The first thing I'm gonna do is to start pulling the debris into the center, and I'm going to use a pulling motion which goes against the name of the broom. It's called a push broom, but I'm finding a different way that's going to work a lot better for me. Watch. And what am I going to do now? Looks like I've got a grade A conundrum on my hands. Because if I pull anymore, I'll be sweeping myself. I'm going to leave the broom there, and I'm going to swivel around. You can go clockwise or counterclockwise. And then I'm going to reverse the action, and I'm going to start to push. Oh, that's a big one. Who would have known that planting chickpeas in the front yard was such a bad idea? But you can only eat so many falafels before you're like, Baba Ganoush, how about Baba Gano, thank you. It's time to introduce the star of the show. Got a pile, what are you gonna do now? A simple, white, plastic bucket. It's gonna be your best friend. And what are your best friends gonna say? All these years, and you trade me in for a bucket? It's not gonna become your best friend, although it wouldn't be the worst best friend to have. When you see how well it wraps up your sweeping job, you're gonna wonder why maybe you didn't get to know a bucket sooner. Here we are at the final phase of sweeping, and you're gonna be surprised because I'm gonna put the broom down. I'm not even gonna use it, because I'm gonna use the other brooms, the ones that the big guy gave me, my hands. Because your hands, quite honestly, are the most useful brooms of all, and each finger is like a magical thistle. Well, all done, and you can see how with these simple tips, you can turn sweeping into an enjoyable activity that you and your friends will do together. Right, Frankie? Camera's over here. Anyway, thanks for watching, and look out for all kinds of awesome new informative episodes here on Do It Myself.
Another informative episode of the DIM Network. Here on the DIM Network, we'll teach you how to do sweeping. We've got a wiping episode coming up. Welcome to the Choremongers, a series within a series here on DIM. Glad you came by. Keep coming back. Make sure to subscribe. We barely have any subscribers.